Hi guys, my name is Ain. So in this video, I will show you how to make a floor with a random design. Okay, so now go to tile function, click on tile function, click on walkthrough. Okay, click on your floor tile design. Okay, so under single brick, okay, just drag this continuous paving. Okay, now we want to make a random design, so we need to set the design first. Okay, so we need to adjust the position, make it to make sure the position is snapped to our wall. Okay, and after we have set the position, we need to delete the rest of it. Okay, just left one brick here. Okay, click on delete. Okay, and click on this brick. Okay, under free mode, we want to change the texture, so click here, click on item replacement. Okay, click on this change texture here, so you can choose any texture or you can upload your own texture. Okay, if you upload, you can find it here. Okay, so I will choose this texture. Okay, double click and choose by target size. Okay, not the by new brick size, it will change your brick size. Okay, so choose your by target size. Okay, now we already have changed the texture. Now we want to copy to another side. Click on Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay, so adjust the position. Okay, adjust the position. Okay, make it 0. Okay, now we want to rotate the pattern. I want this edge of the pattern to be facing towards this pattern. So how to do it? Just rotate the angle. Under free mode, just rotate the angle. Okay, so now I will have my pattern like this lah. Okay, so now I want to copy another one. Just Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay, click on here, and also I want to rotate. I want the pattern to be connected like this. Okay, so I want to copy another one. Okay, just paste it here. Okay, place it here and just rotate the angle. I want the pattern to be like this. Okay, now to fill this pattern for the whole floor, all you need to do is just select all, highlight all. Okay, drag your cursor and then right click. After it's all highlighted in blue, right click and click on fill. Okay, make sure you click on fill, not random fill. Yeah, click on fill. Okay, and you see it will copy or it will fill with the same pattern that we have set. Okay, but let's say you choose on random fill, it will make a random design, not the design that we have set. Okay, so make sure you choose a fill. Okay, not random fill. Okay, so our floor will have a random design like this. Okay, so that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.